What? I don't know. What are you talking about, brother? Let's just forget it, mate.
Don't you open up that window. Don't you let out that antidote.
I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine like glass. I'm a bitch, I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and a boss, I'ma shine.
Oh, who are you?
Bro, it's me. I'm trying to log in.
Nah, I can't let you win. This Jeff computer. You not Jeff.
Come on, bro. I'm Jeff.
Nah, man. Jeff wouldn't wear them shoes. That's a new device. I don't recognize it.
Bro, I bought these shoes on Amazon. You got the notification.
All right, I'll let you win if you answer these 2 security questions.
What's the security question?
Question number 1. What did your mama first say when you were born?
She said, "God damn, my son got a big ass head."
Alright, that's the right answer. Plus, you do got a big head. You kind of look like Jeff. I don't know. I don't recognize you. Question number 2.
Right.
If you could have any superpower, what would it be?
When did I even make this account?
You were 12 when you made this.
Invisibility.
Okay, that's the right answer, but why?
Cause I was trying to get into a girls' locker room because I had forgot my homework in there, and I wasn't gonna look though. I was just gonna get the homework and then leave because it had slipped under the door.
Get your little nasty ass in here. Go ahead, come on.
I might just go psycho. Too many drunk white hoes.
And it went like.
Alright guys, it's time to go release my new pet fish. Let's put him in. Bye buddy. Oh no, oh my god, oh my god. What the, no, oh my god. Wait, no, run buddy, run. You're safe, you're safe. Oh my god, he's over here, he's over there. Oh my god, what the heck?
Okay, do you have an email?
Yeah, my email address is biscuitdicks@gmail.com.
Okay, and what's a good email?
My email is a little embarrassing, but it's 12 pluck my pubes 34 shut the door. My email address is gmail@yahoo.com.
Says you're already a member.
No, that's impossible. Really?
Yep.
Wait a damn minute.
No, I can't. No, I can't. No, I can't wait to get out of here. I see you at the movie.
The other king, Gita Pampanaki, veteran, I'm throw my gun. And the other.
People on TikTok go viral for literally the dumbest reasons possible. Like, watch this. That was just 1,000 views.
He's breathing real hard, moving closer. She says, "Huh, you don't look so well." And then he says, "Move." She says, "No." He says, "Move." She says, "No." Bitch, move. She moves.
Dum 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 dum.
diciendo a ti que te calles y tú te callas. ¿Entendiste o no entendiste? ¡Cállate!
I'm losing it.
Yeah. So seductive.
Yeah, I messed it up, but I mean, it's still good. It's still really good. All right. Have a good day today.
So I got these jeans from Fashion Nova, but the size is right, but they're so tight on my thighs. Because like when I sit like this. Oh, yes. That's my jeans now.
Who is the goofiest? Who sheds the most? Who is the craziest? Who is the most handsome?
It's Corona time. Hey, it's Corona time right now. It's Corona time. It's Corona time.
Hey, what happened? Oh.
Hey, B, I'll give you $20 right now if you get up on the table and say shut the fuck up.
Oh God.
Yeah.
Shut the fuck up! Yep, there we are. Look. I'm going home early.
If I punch myself in the stomach and it hurt, does that mean I'm too strong or am I too weak? She told me put my heart in the bag. Gonna buy.
Let's move it.
Don't be mean.
What else am I gonna do? I can't say, hey, can you move? They're not gonna move.
This is what you want.
Be immersed in nature. Hold on. Back up. I can't give you much more, right? The giraffes need me. Huge. She does. What? Thanks.
Oh my God!
No. Not the whole bag. No. No, don't eat freaking plastic. Look at how giant he is. Would you like a sip of coffee?
We got some coffee.
Oh, Jordan, no. Jordan. Oh, I'm scared.
Babe, oh my God.
Oh, hi.
Thirsty?
Jordan.
Oh my God, Jordan.
That's a big move.
Corona gonna get everybody. Why did it start raining? Stop it. Stop it.
Stop.
Just kidding. I kind of like the rain. It just makes it's kind of cold and it gets my nippies hard. I don't like that. I do not like that. Because then you can see it through my shirt during school. How did this pot get here? You're not supposed to be there. You're supposed to be over there. Look, transition. Whew. Imagine it was just gone. That would have been epic. But Corona is actually ruining it. Oh, doggy, you're so pretty. Come here. Come here, baby. She's actually coming. She's normally scared of the rain. Go away. I think I scared her. I'm so sorry. It's okay. She'll forgive me. She loves me. I treat her like a queen. I treat her like a queen, baby. Corona, Yeah, dude, Corona destroying everything. It looks so bad outside. That's probably just because it's raining. But it don't matter. It do not matter. Uzi, let's go, baby. Uzi, EA, best album ever. Yeah.
Oh. You're kidding!
Hit the strip out of school, couldn't wait till I got out of class. Used to stare at the clock and shit. Before all this rap shit, I was gang banging and doing high speeds on the cops and shit. And I'm straight from the shop, but I ball like a king up in Cali and shoot like so.
Don't respect the trippin'. Give a fuck if he like it, but he don't respect his trippin'. Yeah, I saw funny games till his nigga trippin'. Off the flow, hide the west.
You cannot have the candle. You can't have it. No!
Mom, there's no more toothpaste. More toothpaste? Oh, hell. Give me that shit. Okay, here.
We bought him a $30 hammock. He chooses a bag. Oh, baby.
Choose your character.
Hey, Jay. JD, what are you doing? What are you doing, you weirdo?
Change your mind like a girl changes clothes. Your heart and your cold.
Órale, ya son las 8 de la mañana y ponte a hacer algo, ponte a limpiar, a trapear, a cocinar, a lavar los baños. Anoche en el puto teléfono y ahorita no te quieres levantar. Ya, levántate. Levántate.
Reese's.
Hey!
$48 a pop. I don't buy anything.
Hey, I'm working now.
Yeah, right there, that's more than what you make.
Birthday to you.
Now, because of the coronavirus, I'll just blow them out like that.
Are you serious?
My dad buys things that are unnecessary. Check. Do 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 do.
Thank you for choosing Dairy Queen. What can I get for you today?
Chocolate vanilla swirl cookie crust, please.
Do you?
Cone in a cup.
No.
Chocolate vanilla swirl with cookie crunch, please.
Heidi, get your ass off the roof. Come here. Bad. Get inside. Go inside. Go inside.
Sir, what are you doing? You don't even work here.
Shit.
Go, 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 go.
Huh? What was that? You bitch! You little bitch!
Look at that! It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I've never seen anything like it. More beautiful than nature, I'd say. God, I love it. I love New York. People call me stupid for liking New York, but look at that.
Cause you have a bad day, you're trying to make curry, and then you hear something fall in, you look, and your face gets all dirty. It literally got everything. It's all over my hands. On the scene, it's on the freaking ceiling.
Yeah, I'm up. Hey, Kylie, Stormy, it's lit.
I can't go. I need to know now, can you love me?
No one was gonna tell me Adele got skinny. The only one we have left is Lizzo. And that girl who sings the dance monkey, dance monkey. Damn it.
Mom, come here.
What?
I caught a bug.
What?
I caught a bug. Can you hold it? Hold it.
Hiya, Bean.
Yes, hold it.
Are you serious?
No, there's water in there.
What?
Don't drop it. If you drop it, there's
What?
water. Yeah.
What's that upstairs for? What the? 你做乜嘢啊？你個衰仔啊！You what the hell? Listen, take this up. What is inside the cup? What the what? 你試下，我打死你 ，OK?
No.
Listen,
Mom.
Listen, what is that inside? What is that inside?
There's water.
Take it. My hand is tired. Take that shit. Take. Hurry. 你試下，我打死你，OK? No.
This is my principal. The only B word I call you is beautiful.
Oh.
You're welcome, bitch.
I'm sending you to 3 days of institution.
No!
Rock it coming. Let's bounce, move, fuck, nigga, rock, my nigga, no, you ain't nothing but so.
What your ass gets for getting outside. It isn't too funny now, is it? That's what happens when you don't listen to Daddy. Come here. Let Daddy help you. See? I love you too. Now get your ass up there. Go. Go to the house or you're grounded. You too, Bruno.
Bystander. Innocent bystander. Chill.
I don't know why I'm fixing my hair. I can't even see in the first place. Where am I?
Did I get him?
First things first, we're gonna get ourselves some strawberries and we're gonna cut off the hair, okay? We are only interested in the strawberry bodies today, alright? So anything else, in the trash. Okay, cool. Now using a small knife or a spoon, hollow out the inside of the strawberries like this. Let that vibe out on the side. Now we're gonna work on our filling, which is a little bit of cream cheese, some confectioner sugar, some vanilla extract, and I always use double the amount needed because I already have 6 cavities, alright? 7 doesn't sound too bad. Mix until thoroughly combined and try it out to see if you like it, you know what I'm saying? If you like it, take your filling and put into the strawberry on some cream pie vibes. Repeat that process with the other strawberries, and for our toppings, we're gonna use graham crackers. These are literally my favorite crackers in the whole entire world, bro. Mwah! Dip your strawberries into the crushed crackers, and that's pretty much it. Yo, this cooking stuff is easy. Just toss it into the fridge until the cream sets, and we're done. I bought all my groceries today at Trader Joe's because the founder of Trader Joe's recently just passed away. What a legend, bro. We're gonna have to pour one out for the homeboy real quick.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I tell you all of
This is my
Oh
son
my
Pablo.
god.
It's been my mouth.
Mom! Janessa just fell off the swing set!
whatever happened to it.
Alright, we're gonna need some shampoo, conditioner, we're gonna need the leg hair shampoo, the eyebrow shampoo, the feet cleanser, we need some deodorant, we're gonna need some body. Alright, sweet. We got the all-in-one shampoo, conditioner, body wash, face wash, acne cream, hemorrhoid cream, toothpaste, car wax, glue, and ketchup.
Take a picture with me. Oh, I can hold it in the streets. Catch these pants. Oh my god. There's no way. Get them.
Alright, so this kid just bet me $20 that he can draw a dotted line faster than me. Check it out.
remember how the stars hold the night away.
Why are we still here, bro? Like, why the fuck we still like this shit is fucking lame, bro. Who came up with this idea? Are y'all stupid? Are you not like we can't have a break from school? Boom, 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 boom.
I feel like a woman.
Mum, this tastes different. Did you put anything different in it?
I put a bit of one.
2, 3, 4. Mina Psycho Arigato. Kawaii.
Taylor, what are you doing right now? Are you on your iPad playing for a long time? Wow.
Shut up! Come here for a second. Let me smack you across the face.
How are you doing today, Jasmine? But you did this for what? Why not? Why? Why not? Why though?
Okay, so we're just, out. I'm gonna daily vlog today. I'm gonna take you guys with me while I pick out what toilet paper I want. Okay, so they have a big sale going on right now, and I think these ones right here, the $2.99, we're gonna get some of these. And throw this back here. I didn't get the ones in the back because they're the ones in the front have germs and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna update y'all later when we get our next ingredient. We got photographers. These look yummy.